In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have two of these, one located on each side of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started. Carefully grab onto your wiper arm. Your wiper arm is under spring pressure, trying to force it towards the windshield, so you want to make sure you're holding onto it well. On these wiper blades, there's a little clip that you can grab onto and remove. We'll set that aside. Continue on to removing the wiper blade from the wiper arm. On these, if you were to pivot a little bit, there's a small tab under here you can grab onto and then slowly pull this away. There's one. Now we can start installing our front wiper blade. We'll take this and put it in place and slide it onto the hook. Listen for a click. Once you've heard that, go ahead and give it a tug. Make sure it does not fall off. If it does, it's not locked in position. Carefully rest it against your windshield and then do the same to the other wiper blade. We'll slide this right into position. Listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's locked in, rest it against the windshield. Okay friends, we fully installed our front wiper blades. At this point, hop inside the passenger compartment and test their functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.